Why do burps and farts make sound? Well, the engine of these two funny events is gas. It is mainly produced during digestion because of fermentation, but also comes from swallowing air. When you burp, the air is released from the stomach and esophagus when the epiglottis opens. This causes the lower esophageal sphincter, the esophagus, and vocal cords to vibrate. The vibration sound will be amplified by the throat and mouth, acting a little bit as a megaphone. For farts, it's easier. When the air is released from the rectum to a tight anal sphincter, it vibrates. It's this precious vibration that causes the two to make this beautiful sound. But if the sphincter are relaxed, nobody will never hear this symphony. You'll find more information on my Instagram page. I ask myself weird questions lately.